Someone wanted to see another design for these little wooden houses, so okay, let's get started. And here is my final project. And I have to say, once again, I am in love with these little houses, and I think this turned out perfect. It is a gift for my best friend, Michelle, aka George. You guys, if you've been on my channel for a while, you have seen her. We usually get together and do a cocktails and crafts, or is it crafts and cocktails video every single holiday season for like Thanksgiving and Christmas time. However, we were supposed to get together now and do these videos, some of the little wooden houses, but our schedules just did not work out, so I thought I'd surprise her with this gift. I knew when I saw this "Home is where the family gathers" sign, it would pair perfectly with the house shadow boxes. And so I decided to Photoshop pictures of her 4 children and place them inside windows in the little houses as a gift for her. Her house is farmhouse style, and she recently redid her entire open concept kitchen and living room area. And so I think these will go in there perfectly. I have to say, if you are going to attempt something like this, make sure you use E6000 glue to glue the little plaque sign to the houses, because it will not stick at all with hot glue. I did use a little hot glue to reinforce it to stick initially, but it will come loose if you pick it up no matter what. I love using the metal pan to make the metal roofing. You see, I distressed it just a little bit, and I absolutely love using the fairy garden little bird up in the corner with the makeshift tree I did from, I think I had these florals from Joann's, I'm not sure, but they were in my stash. So this is it. This is my "Home is where the family gathers" little house sign, and I hope that George loves it. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. And if you are not a member here at Lacee Space yet, I really don't know why not. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button, become a member, hang out with us for a while. We have a lot of fun here. I will be getting together with George here in the next couple of weeks to do a crafts and cocktails and crafts, whatever we're going to call it. And we are going to be creating a cocktail on that video, as well as doing a DIY. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way that it is spelled here. And I will catch all of you in my next video. Bye, loves.